Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly Hepner and I'm so glad you're here. I am going to be reviewing a new pair of Christian Louboutin heels and I am excited to show you guys what I got. So I thought it would be kind of fun just to do the unboxing with you. I actually got these used from Poshmark, which is kind of like an online app where you can find really good deals on new and used designer items. I really like it and I enjoyed the experience. This was actually the first designer item I've ever bought from Poshmark, and it was really cool because what actually happens is instead of it going straight from the user to the customer, it actually goes to Poshmark for them to verify the authenticity, and then it goes back to the user, or to the customer. So Poshmark actually wrapped it up. I did already take a peek earlier because I couldn't wait until I was actually going to film the video, but I tried to put it back in the tissue paper so you could kind of see what it kind of looks like, and you know, it has the little Posh authenticity card on the outside, and it just says, you know, thank you for your purchase. Our luxury experts have confirmed the authenticity for your product, and then it says who it was reviewed by, and that's kind of how that works. So I thought that was pretty cool. It comes in this cool tissue paper, and then obviously the box. So I went on a whim. I know if you've watched a couple of my other Louboutin shoe reviews, their sizing is a little all over the place. So I kind of went on a whim and purchased these. I just got the standard 38. I'm normally a US 8, and so with European sizes, it translates over pretty easily. So if you're an 8, you wear a 38. If you're a 7, you wear a 37, 6, 36, so on and so forth. So I ordered the 38. And I was pretty pleasantly surprised. So it comes, like I said, this was a used pair. The gal selling them mentioned she had worn them once or twice. They honestly look like brand new. The bottoms are pretty near perfect. It looks like she had put on the bottoms of them, or the previous owner, kind of like this coating. I've never seen anything like this before. I know it's just to protect the red bottoms, but it's kind of cool, and you can definitely tell that has a little wear, but you can see underneath it, and the red looks, I mean, perfect, and kind of same with this part too. But this is the shoe, so I'm so excited. I love them. It's kind of like a faint gold color, and these are the Louboutin Vintage Pigalle Follies is what it's called. They're the 100 centimeter height, which I think is right around like 3 to 3.5 inches. I don't think I would ever do their 4-inch because I have tried those on and they are really tall. But it also comes with the little stud for the heel. I don't know if people actually do ever end up needing to replace those, but this is what they look like. So I'm gonna actually just pop them on. I really like the fit of these. I think they fit just a lot more comfortable than the Kates, I believe is what they're called, that I have. I've done another review video on those. They were kind of like the blush light pink color. And I think it's mainly because these have the sides on both sides as opposed to just one side and then, you know, the middle open. I think it actually does make them quite a bit more comfortable. But this is the shoe, and like I said, I am so excited. I think these are gonna be such a classic staple. I went with something that I think will really transition through kind of all the different seasons. I think you could really dress these up for winter, but also make them really look cute for spring and summer too. So I'm really happy with them. Like I said, I got an amazing deal on Poshmark, and I would highly recommend if you are really wanting to buy your first pair of Louboutins. Like I said, make sure and try some on, make sure you kind of get a feel for your size, but if you're definitely wanting to go the least expensive route, Poshmark and getting a used pair is a really amazing option. I got a really good price point on these. I would say they were well more than half off, and they feel and kind of look like brand new. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with them whatsoever, and you know, I'm pretty happy with them. So that's the shoe. I'm going to do a couple other close-ups of them, and you can kind of see, just taking a little twirl, what they look like. So Highly recommend. I think this is an awesome pair, and I'll be sure to link the description of these shoes and see if I can't find another couple similar options on Poshmark for you ladies to shop as well. Thanks for tuning in, and you guys have a great day.